In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up LC email to increase email deliverability in Gohighlevel. If you want your emails to land in the inbox more consistently, setting up a dedicated sending domain is an important step. This helps improve trust with email providers and gives your campaigns a stronger foundation for deliverability. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Gohighlevel and how to begin the setup process. First, log into your Gohighlevel account and make sure you're inside the correct location or sub-account where you want to configure email sending. Since these settings are location specific, it's a good idea to double check that you're working in the right account before making any changes. Once you're in the dashboard, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where you'll find the core configuration options for that location, including phone, email, domains, and other account level tools. Inside Settings, look for Email Services and click on it. This section is where Gohighlevel manages the email infrastructure connected to your account. If your goal is to improve deliverability and create a more professional sending setup, this is the place to start. Next, click on Dedicated Domain and IP. This area is specifically designed for configuring a dedicated email sending domain. Using a dedicated setup can help separate your sending reputation and give you more control over how your emails are authenticated and delivered. After that, click on Add Domain. This will open the setup screen where you can begin adding the domain you want to use for email sending. Now enter your domain name. In most cases, you'll want to use a subdomain rather than your main root domain. For example, many businesses use something like mailyourdomain.com or send.yourdomain.com. Using a subdomain helps keep your primary website domain separate from your email sending activity, which is generally a smart deliverability practice. After entering your chosen subdomain, click Add and Verify. This starts the verification process and allows Gohighlevel to generate the records needed to connect and validate your domain properly. At this stage, make sure the subdomain is typed correctly because even a small typo can cause verification issues later. Once submitted, you'll be ready to move forward with the domain verification process based on the records provided inside the platform. And that's how to begin setting up LC email in Gohighlevel to improve email deliverability. Take your time with the domain entry step, and you'll set yourself up for a much cleaner and more reliable email sending experience.